Hi everybody, it is Crystal. So I hope everybody is doing well and staying safe. I'm doing great. So I have a couple of new yarns to show you from Lion Brand. Now I purchased these at Joann's.com, online at Joann's. They actually had 3, but only 2 came, but I was super excited to see them. So I thought I would just open them with you guys. So let's look at the first one. This one is called Lion Brand Roving Tweed. I like tweed yarn, and Roving is my favorite. So it comes in the cake form, and that is what it looks like. Let's read it. 5.3 ounces, 150 grams, 155 yards, or 142 meters. It's 100% acrylic, machine wash, lay flat to dry. Made in Turkey. Now they classify this as a bulky number 5. The color I have is called black. Bulky number 5 is my favorite. So there's their bulky 5. That's a nice bulky 5. I like that. You see all the different colors in that one. So it's roving style, like I mentioned, and then it has a different color wrapped around it. I always like to tell you if yarns smell clean. This one smells a little funny. I have 2 different colors. Let me smell this one. Smells the same. Not bad, but it doesn't smells like I can't put my pinpoint on or pinpoint what the smell is, but like it's been sitting in a warehouse, and but it's not really off-putting. It's not like a bad smell. I can handle it. So I won't say it smells clean, but it does smell a little different than what clean smelling yarn smells, but not a bad smell that is gonna off-put you. I don't know why it smells like that. Kind of warehousey. I don't know. Anyways, regardless, I got 2 different colors of it. I think they had 5 or 6 different colors. This one's black, the color black, and this one is the color pink. Both are very pretty. I cannot show you on my knitting machine because it's too thick. It won't go through my knitting machine, but I like them both. Now, as with roving, sometimes people find roving a little hard to work with because it can tangle up on itself, but it is a gorgeous yarn. It's just kind of a busy yarn, so I think a simple stitch would work best with this. It is scarfable. It's a nice soft roving. Nice, yes, very scarfable, which means I would wear it against my skin and it wouldn't bother me. This would make a beautiful hat or scarf, beautiful sweater, blanket. Oh, that make it really pretty throw. But I would probably use a simple stitch with it since the yarn is quite busy on its own. So there's that one. Now I do want to mention, if you go to Joann's.com, which is where I purchased this, it will say that it comes in a 3-pack for $9.99. It does not. It's 1 ball for $9.99. I seen that, and I knew that was incorrect. I knew Lion Brand would not have 3 balls of yarn of bulky 5 at 155 yards. I knew they wouldn't I knew they wouldn't have that for $9.99. But so just so you know, if you see that, it's wrong. It's only 1 ball for $9.99. I do think that is a little on the pricey side for my likings, but I did get 20% off. I had a 20% coupon code, which made it better. But yes, that is that. Very pretty. I would buy that again. Smells weird, but it's still usable. It's usable. I mean, it's not going to be like nothing that's gonna. I can use it. It's not like stink. It's not like bad stink or none. It's just a weird like factory smell. And then they had another new yarn, which I got 2 colors of it. This one is called Little Bit of Everything by Lion Brand. I like the name. Oh, that is really pretty. Let's read about this one. Now this is 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, 164 yards, or 150 meters. Oh, a little bit of everything. This is why. 45 acrylic, 26 cotton, 19 wool, and 10 alpaca. It's classified as a bulky number 5, hand wash and lay flat to dry. I have 2 different colors. This color is called Solar. I think they had 5 or 6 different colors and they were all very pretty. Now let's look at this yarn. So this yarn is not going to be for everybody. So they classify this as a bulky number 5. Now if you look closely at it, you can see, let me move in on it, it's chain spun. You see that chain spun there? And then the colored dots are inside that chainette construction. And then on the outside it has the fur. Now that's fur, they're counting that when they're classifying it as a bulky 5. Now that fur will give it a little bit of a halo. Halo meaning the fuzz that sticks up. Some yarns create very, very beautiful long halos, and some are just short. This will create just a short halo. But I do like the chainette construction on it, and I like how the different colors flow through this one. And when I say this one isn't going to be for everyone, this one will be very hard if you make a mistake to take it out. It'll get hung up on itself very easy. But see how it's just, I like it though. I think it's very pretty. I like this color a lot. This one is called Solar. Now these are 7. Now this is the exact same as the other ones. If you go to joann's.com, it'll tell you that it's a 3-pack for $7.99. And I know that I knew it wasn't a 3-pack. It's 1 ball is $7.99, but I did get it for 20% off. So I got this color. Oh, that's very, very beautiful. And then I got one more color, which is called Black Cherry. Ooh, I like black cherry soda. So if you look at this one, the chainette construction on this one is actually the red or the cherry colored, and then the white flecks go through it. That's very pretty, and it does have the fuzz also on it, which will make a little bit of a halo and not much. But remember, these aren't going to be for everybody because that fuzziness is sometimes hard to work with. These yarns, I would say, this would make a beautiful, it's very lightweight. So I think a very nice lightweight, I would probably use, if I was going to make a wrap with it, a lacier, maybe a lacier stitch, not super lacy, but a little bit lacy over a stitch with it. I think it would make a nice semi-lace shawl or scarf. You could definitely use it for a sweater or a cardigan. I would use more of a close stitch for that. It will be lighter weight though, because it is a lighter weight yarn. A blanket, but it'll be a lightweight blanket also. These are very pretty, $7.99. But like I said, I did get 20% off, so that's not bad. They had all their colors were pretty, and I would definitely repurchase this one. I like yarns that are like this though, but please remember it's not going to be yarn for everybody. So I wanted to show you these 2 new yarns. And this one again, this one is quite, for being the bulky 5, it is a thicker bulky 5, but I like the thicker yarns. This would make, did I already say, a very beautiful blanket, scarf, stuff like that. Anything in a simple stitch. So yeah, but just remember, if you do go to Joann's and it says 3-pack, it's not going to be a 3-pack. It's an individual ball is that price. So those are the 2 yarns that I wanted to show you. When the other one comes in, I'll show you that one too. Thanks everybody for watching. I always appreciate it when you watch all my videos, regardless of what they are. But I might make something with one of these. I think a pretty hat and scarf that would be good with that one. It'd be very busy, but still pretty. Or this one, which would be quite lightweight. I don't know. I'll have to see. But remember, check out all my hundreds of crochet tutorials that I have. And if you're not into that, I got lots of yarn content too. So I appreciate it. You guys, I think I've already mentioned it, like I keep repeating myself. I'm sorry. Sometimes I do that. I'm gonna go. I love you all and stay safe, okay? I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.